Hey guys, I want to show you this, in my opinion, bomb twist out that I did, separating and fluffing. That's some edge control that my hair didn't really take to, and nor did it hold down my edges. But this, look at what y'all, I can't even tell y'all how I feel about this twist out right now. I mean, it's just, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Now that my hair is growing, yes, I did turn all the way back the other way. Now that my hair is growing out from my tapered cut, I am falling in love with separating my hairstyles to get big hair, which is something that I didn't do before. So this is like a new part of my journey. And I got these results using, really can't see it too well, but the Adwoa Beauty Products. I ended up ordering the trial size. There's my oil here. And in the trial size, I got the shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, the oil blend. I got the deep conditioner, the curl defining cream, and the curl defining gel. I had really wanted to try these products out, but the price was a little bit expensive for me. And so once I seen that they did have trial or sample sizes, because everything is about 2 ounces and 3 ounces, I was like, you know what? I need to try this because I'm hearing great reviews about it, especially with type 4 naturals, and I want to try it out for myself. And I'm glad I did, because now once I use the samples, I can get the full size products. I mean, look at this. Look at this. So I recorded a video showing you the steps. Also, I want to note that on this side of my hair, I use the LOC method. So I use the leave-in, the oil blend, and then the curl defining cream. And on this side, I use the LCO method. So the leave-in, the cream, and then the oil blend last. And I also use oil on my hands to take down my twist. And I really don't feel much of a difference in my hair. And so I don't know, you know, that I just took it out. I'm going to show you all the video of me installing it. And I left my twist in for 2 days over the weekend. It is now Monday morning, which is when I'm taking these out so I can rush off to work. But yeah, these are my results. Oh, look at the definition, baby. Ooh wee. And that body, that shine. Just watch and see how I install these twists, and y'all let me know what y'all think. So this style is done on freshly washed hair. I am using my Satin Life T-shirt towel to dry my hair. And as you can see, my hair is already twisted up. These are the twists that I put in my hair during my deep conditioning stage. I have rubber bands on the end because my twists tend to come out, but that's optional. And so I've already twisted up the rest of my hair, and I wanted to come and show you guys the front because, you know, if I show you everything, it'll be a very long video. And so my hair is usually in different sections as you've seen previously. I make sure to wet my hair. I'm low porosity, so my hair tends to dry out quick, so I always have to keep a spray bottle on deck. So I make sure my hair is moisturized so that it opens up my cuticles a bit so I can receive the yummy products that I am about to apply. So you really can't see, and it was really quick, but this is the Adwoa Beauty's leave-in conditioner. And so I just use maybe a little bit more than a dime size amount, and you'll see that a little definitely goes a long way. It started to get my hair foamy while I was applying the product, but that little bit stretched for that whole section. I really didn't need to reapply. And I use my Tangle Teezer to detangle. This is an old Tangle Teezer. I have this thing for years, but I wanted to try it out to see how it would work on my hair. And then here is the oil blend. I told you one side of my hair I use the LOC method. And so this is what we're doing. So I apply the oil blend to my hair and onto my scalp a little bit before using the cream to begin twisting up my hair. I showed y'all this edge tamer, the Ebin 24-hour for edge control. This thing did nothing for my hair. I haven't found an edge control that would lay my edges, so I just stopped using it. But then you'll see, if you haven't seen it in the beginning, you'll see it at the end how it's really tacky. It just left like its residue on a portion of my hair, which I really didn't like. So I split that larger section up into a smaller piece. I'm back again with my Tangle Teezer. You know, with tightly coiled hair, your hair definitely shrinks up, so you want to make sure that your hair is detangled before you start twisting. Here is the defining cream that I'll be using. I spread that onto my hands, rub it in really good, and then apply it to that large section. I tend to like squeeze the product into my hair. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to make sure the sections are even in thickness, but as well as in length, which is something that I can feel for when I twist my hair. And then I just proceed to twist. You guys have seen my twisting videos before. I am right-handed and my twists always go right over left. And so that's what I'm doing here. I make sure to keep my fingers close to the twist so I'm not just dragging my hands down. That gets the twists nice and tight. And then I'm using my dead man comb and applying more products to the ends of my hair, which is always dry, especially because, as you can tell, I have a little bit of color there. And so this is how I apply whatever products that I'm using when I'm twisting my hair. I use the same method every time. At the end, I just coil the hair around my finger to give it a little curl, and that kind of locks in the twist as well. And I proceed to do the same thing with the next section. If the hair is dry, I'll add water. If not, I'll detangle and begin to apply my products, which the leave-in, the oil and cream, but I did that for this section already, and so all I had to do was just detangle and twist up. It's easier when I apply my products to the larger section of my hair and then split it and twist it. That knocks down a lot of time instead of separating and putting the products on each individual section. And this is pretty much how I twisted my whole head. Wash days usually take a long day for me, but I love putting in twists because, you know, I may take maybe 30 minutes to put the twist in, but it really goes by fast. What I'm doing now is just tightening up my roots so that they can, you know, stretch out a little bit, lay a little flat, and I'm grabbing a bobby pin to secure it. I have bobby pins throughout the sides of my hair, and it's just to help my hair lay in the direction that I want it to fall once I take my twists out. Yep, my twist looks nice and juicy. They're very plump. I have some shine going on there. Nice and flowy. And so, look at that. I'm just showing my shrinkage and how my hair bounces back. This is the next day, so I slept with my hair twisted overnight. I did not sleep under a dryer. I usually sleep with a satin bonnet or on my satin pillowcase. And to take down these twists, I just use the oil blend, put that on my hands, and just rub it through the sections. Remove the bobby pins that I have spread throughout my hair. and I rub the oil over the length of my hair before taking out my twists. I sped this up a little bit, or I cut to where I show you guys how I'm taking out the twists in the front. So this is just unraveling the twist. This is before any separating or fluffing of my hair. The definition is great with these products. I absolutely loved it. And you'll see once I take out all the twists how my hair is full, but it looks kind of flat. And that's the reason why I decided to separate and fluff, which you guys know is not something that I do often, but it is something that I'm trying to get into now. And as you can tell from the beginning, I loved my results. And if you notice, while I was twisting my hair, I did not borrow any hair from one side of the twist to another to make it even, or in length or in thickness. And so when I take the twist apart, since there's no borrowing, there's no frizz when the twists come out. And all I do is just twist the hair in the opposite direction and then run my fingers through it to untwist the twist. See, that's the edge control I was telling you about, how it left that residue. I guess I didn't brush it in well. And so this is what my hair looks like after all the twists have been taken out. It's nice definition, but it's not fluffy, and so it's time to separate. So the back, of course, has been separated already for the sake of length time on this video. And what I do is just take a section of hair and I run pretty much my thumbs through it, and wherever my hair naturally starts to split and separate, that's where I separate the hair. Sometimes each section I'll separate 2 to 3 times, depending on where the split is. Separating does cause, for me, some frizz, not a lot, but it does. Sometimes I lose definition, so I'm still trying to master that, but I think this came out really well. The products, of course, it's from the same product line, so it worked well together. My hair was soft, manageable. Definitely feel like I got great results. And this is sped up a little bit. I'm not normally moving this fast to separate my hair. I'm taking my time because the less frizz, the better. And as you can see, this wants to separate into about 4 sections, 3 to 4 sections. And that's it, rubbing my fingers from the roots down to the ends to separate it. Sometimes you just have to embrace the frizz, which is what I'm learning. And so I'll leave the details of where you can get this product if you don't have it already. I started out with the sample pack, which came with 5 2 to 3 ounce size bottles, and then I ended up buying a full size products at a later date because I loved it so much. So now that everything is separated and fluffed, here's what my hair is looking like. I still have some definition. Frizz is kind of minimum. My hair is more fuller. You're not seeing the parts that I had that you may have noticed early on while my hair was twisted. Them colored ends look bad. And then I just go in with a wide tooth comb, or sometimes a pick, whichever I grab first, to kind of just fluff out the roots a little bit to make the hair go a little bit better, kind of give it a little bit of a shape. This tapered cut is growing out, and so the shape is not too bad. I like how everything falls, but it also helps when I twist my hair in the direction that I want my hair to fall. And I always like a side part and my hair falling to the right side of my face, so there's always more hair up top. And then to give me a little bit extra length in the front, you'll see I'm going to grab a bobby pin just to hold some of that hair down so it's just not flying away from my face and into the shape. and you can style and fluff and play around with it to your liking. But yeah, I absolutely loved this twist out. Don't you? I am loving these results. I am definitely going to continue using this line. I love it. Anyway, let me stop talking. Thanks for watching. Please, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Let me know what you think. Have you tried Adwoa Beauty? Is it something that you might be interested in? Let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye.